Hello everyone, hope all of you doing well. In today's video, I'm just gonna let you know about
Camera 50 megapixels, plus 64 megapixels, plus 50 megapixels. Cam 8 megapixels, plus 50 megapixels, plus 8 megapixels. Display 6.6 inches, display 7.78 inches. Front camera 32 megapixels, dual selfie camera 64 megapixels, plus 8 megapixels. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, Snapdragon 7788 G4. 5000 battery. 4000 battery. RAM 8 GB or 12 GB. ROM 128 GB or 256 GB. RAM 8 GB or 12 GB. ROM 128 GB or 256 GB.
That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thumbs up for this video and do subscribe our channel for more videos.